had no idea I was moving into a fortress. Everywhere I turn, there's another security guard.
Lana, that gentleman's not a security guard. He's a private investigator. Over the last few days, it's become clear I'm being followed.
By who?
Well, I doubt I have to look much further than the lowest branch in the family tree, but I can't be sure.
You called the police.
After breaking every law imaginable, I was inhabited by Zod. I don't want to go anywhere near a badge. I can't trust anyone, not even my own security.
You can trust me.
Of course I can. Then I want you to have this. In case of an emergency. He's the best PI in Metropolis. If anything happens to me, you need to call that number. Not the police. Robert Pontius will make sure you're safe.
Lex, don't talk like that.
I'm just being cautious. Chloe.
How's this for a mega dose of guilt money?
Well, I've got bigger news.
What happened? Is everything all right?
I sneezed.
And?
Chloe, that's not normal.
Well, Clark, nothing with you is exactly normal, but I wouldn't call sneezing today's headline.
You don't understand. I was...
You what? Grab a tissue and get over it. Gesundheit.
I tried to warn you. I've come down with some sort of cold.
And become a walking air cannon. Clark, let's get you out of here before you glow again.
At least I was able to cover half my face that time. This morning, I blew the barn door halfway across Lowell County. It almost hit Lois.
Was that in Lane?
Now she's on a one-woman crusade to find an explanation. You know her, she won't stop digging until she hits China.
Yeah, okay, I'll take care of Lois. You just take care of that cold. We have enough natural disasters around here without having to worry about Hurricane Clark looming off the coast. No!
Just kidding.
Well, I forgot what a concerned parent you are. That's why you're having me followed, isn't it? To make sure I don't destroy the rest of the world?
If I were having you followed, son, you would never know it. I can guarantee you that.
I hate to disappoint you, but whatever powers I had are long gone. So if you're looking for an encore performance, you're out of luck. Elvis has left the building.
Yeah, you want to find out who's stalking you? I suggest you concentrate on remembering every little minute detail of that horrific day.
Well, I guess I should have kept the blog. Because I suffered a total memory loss. Besides what Lana has told me, those 24 hours are gone.
The atrocities you committed. They could have been witnessed by anyone. Lex, please, let me help you.
I've been on the receiving end of your help before, Dad. I think I'll pass.
Listen to me. There are some adversaries that cannot be defeated alone. Lex! Lex!
The bear's hibernating. Over.